In this first video of a 4-video series, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a conversational survey chatbot. In this demonstration, it's going to be for a game company to ask gamers about their experience with a new game. If you're new to Juji, the first thing we're going to do is create a new chatbot. We get two options, Facebook Messenger or website. We will choose website. And rather than starting with a blank template, we're going to actually use one of the templates that Juji already provides. The template that we're looking for is called General Interview Conversational Survey, and we'll click Create. Once created, we get an option to preview the chatbot or customize the chatbot. We're going to immediately customize. Once we're in the design view, you get three main menus, which is main chat flow, the Q&A board and chatbot settings. You need to be in the main chat flow. You'll see here, because we've used a template, that we've got topics or cards already created. So if we go to topic 1 or card 1, you can see that the chatbot will ask, could you say a bit about yourself? For example, I'd love to know what kind of work you do and what you like. The second question, thanks for telling me about yourself. I'd love to get to know you more. What do you enjoy doing besides work? If you want to edit a card, this is very simple. Just click in, add the new text, and it's automatically saved. Once you're happy with the changes you've made, click Preview. So the first question is, are you ready to get started? And we are. So it's asked for an introduction. As the customer, I will submit my answer to the question. Ava responds, and she would like to know now what I enjoy doing besides work. Ava will acknowledge my response, and then the next question is a quantitative question. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to pick 5. That's a quick demo of the template, which includes 3 survey questions. At this stage, if you're ready to deploy, click Deploy on the left and click Generate URL. Once you have the link, you can then embed this into an email that you send to customers. You can chat with our very friendly AI assistant, Ava, and then we've hyperlinked the chat with AI. Simple. In the next video, we'll look at how you add additional questions.